Hey, I'm Andrew, a build technician at Touring, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Dragonfly Tarp system, an add-on we sell for our vans at Touring. Let's get started. The Dragonfly Tarp system has a few benefits over a traditional awning system in the sense that it's way more versatile, it can pack into 2 small bags, and it's more wind resistant. Let's show you how to set it up. First, open up the bag containing the poles and start assembling them as shown. For later use, it's best to have a hammer around for putting the stakes into the ground. Next, take the tarp out of its bag and find the rope edge of the tarp as shown. When using a van with a higher roof, it's best to have a step ladder handy in order to reach the track on the roof for this next step. Making sure that the tarp is right side up, locate the left side of the rope edge and start feeding it through the track as shown. Now, take the stakes and the hammer and pull the main straps out at a diagonal in order to hammer them to the ground so the tarp is fairly loose. When hammering the stakes, be sure they're at an angle pointed away from the van for maximum tension in the ground. Next, you'll take your poles and feed the small fitting through the strap poles as shown, placing them at an upright angle and staking them firmly in the ground at a slight angle away from the van. After the poles are placed, you can pull the strap as shown to tighten the tarp. Repeat this staking process with the remaining straps to complete this setup. In order to secure more privacy or create a lean-to style with the tarp, simply remove the poles one at a time from their original positions and place them in the furthest side strap holes, followed by tightening the forward straps on both sides. In order to tear down, repeat all these steps in reverse by just removing the poles, then stakes, then tarp. Always be sure to stay mindful of wind speed as this tarp is fairly wind resistant but not windproof. Check your stakes periodically to make sure they're firmly on the ground and be mindful of any blemishes or rips that show up on vulnerable areas of the tarp. And that's how you set up a Dragonfly tarp. For more questions, reach out to our support team or watch more videos on our channel, and thanks for watching.